Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdurrashid Jamri, lecturer in computer science at Government Mumtaz Degree College, Khairpur, Miras. We are here to study your subject of computer science. Student, as Sindh College Education Department has prescribed an academic plan for the student of first year class. In that academic plan, there is your first topic, Introduction to Computer Science. Here we start from introducing before you people the computer science. Computer science is one of the disciplines of modern science. It is like your other sciences, physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics. It is a one discipline of science under which we study the various aspects of computer technologies, their development. We study their applications in the present world. Likewise, computer science includes a wide range of topics such as development of computer technology in hardware and software, application of computer technology in today's life, information technology, computer threats, computer security. Student, these are the branches or areas of computer science. Look at the next slide. The areas of computer science are development of computer technology, application of computer technology, information technology, computer threats, computer security. So let us discuss them one by one. Development of computer technology comprises on the development of software and hardware. In software development, we study the changes in user interface, just like command line interface, graphical user interface, voice command interface. These three type of interfaces are present nowadays, and in future there will be another interface. It may be a focus command interface. Also here in this branch we study the changes in operating system, the versions which come newly in the market, versions of operating system. Also we study the research and changes and creation of new application software and changes and creation of new programming languages. And students, at the development in hardware is concerned, in this side of development we study the increase in processing speed, increase in storage capacity of devices, increase creation of new devices from for input, output and communication. So these studies are related to development in hardware, and development in hardware and development in software are the sub branches of first mother branch, development of computer technology. Students, in second branch, which is application of computer technology, it is the applied side of computer, that how the computer is used in organizations, businesses, banks, government sectors, education, science, medical and engineering how the computer made effect on these sectors of human life, how computer creates a revolution in the world on affecting these points, these sectors, banks, businesses, or organizations, educations, and medical science, engineering science. As the other area of computer science is concerned, that is information technology, it is the combination of computer and communication technologies. In this area, we study the creation of new network topologies, network protocols, ways of communication, and in other area or other branch of computer science that is named as computer threat. It is a potential cause of an incident that may result in harm of system and organization. In this area, we study the threat actor or agent, that you can say the threat creator, and also we study the threat source from which threat come. We study in this area the threat action, what the threat do, and also we analyze the threat and threats consequences, and we management threat, and also the hunting methods, that how to hunt a threat. This field is very important in computer science. Student, the other area, that is computer security. In this area, we are concerned with protection of computer system and networks from the theft of or damage to their software or electronic data, as well as from the disruption or misdirection of the services provided on computer. This field is becoming more important due to increase of human reliance on computer system. In this area, we are concerned with antivirus, the programs, firewall programs, and data encryption techniques, software authentication techniques, and application softwares, runtime application self protection, abbreviated as RASP. These are the fields of this sub branch of computer security. So, students, let us repeat our first slide. The computer science. Computer science is one of the disciplines of modern science under which we study about the various aspects of computer technology. We study their development and their application in the present world. Likewise, other sciences, there are the branches of computer science, there are the areas of computer science which are computer which are development of computer technology in hardware and software, applications of computer technology in today's life, and information technology, computer threat, computer security. These are described in previous slides. So please come on computer. The term computer is derived from a Latin term compute, which means to calculate. Initially, the computer system had been designed to calculate. The purpose of designing computer was only only the performance of mathematical operations, only for the calculation. The first computer that was invented in BC, some books say that it was invented in 5000 BC. Some says that it was invented in 3000 BC. So in BC, before the AD, that device was only for the calculation purposes, and that was fully mechanical, that was not electronical. As time passed, it was intended to be a computing device. However, over a period of time, this device technically advanced. At present, it can perform a wide range of desirable work apart from data processing. Now, it is not only calculation machine, it is a multi-purpose machine, and it performs according to the desire of its user. It provides very flexibility to its user, and it communicate with its user due to or with the help of programs, that is a set of instruction. With the help of commands, it communicate its user and do as ordered by its user. So as well as the definition of computer is concerned, so let us discuss. A computer is an electronic device operating under the control of instructions stored in its own memory. It can accept data as an input, process the data according to specified rules, produce information as an output, and store the information for future use. Student, there are some features of computer which are automation, speed and its accuracy, its versatility, its diligence, its reliability, its vast memory, and a huge storage capacity. Let us discuss them one by one. In automation feature, you can say the operating system of a computer system is automatic, as no human intervention is required. Simply, you need to give the command and then it will do the work automatically. How? For printing a file or a page or a book, you have only to prescribe the intervals and give it the command. You have only to click on the print command, and the remaining actions, remaining steps will be done by computer automatically. You have only to click on the print command, and the process, which includes several steps. uh, Process of printing, the data is transferred to the printer, how it is transferred, how it is converted on images from digital data from bits. So you can say it is an automatic process which is done by computer, and this is a good feature of computer. Student, the second feature of computer is its speed. It depends upon the power of the computer. It can perform, computer can perform millions of instructions per second. And its third feature is accuracy. The accuracy of computer system is very high. There isn't any error in computer calculation. And the fourth feature, the versatility. Computer system is capable of performing a wide range of tasks. It is a multitask machine. It don't deny if you change its task, or if you give a task before the completing of first task, or you give third task before the completing of other task, it will not deny, it will perform all the tasks which you have assigned to this machine. Students, it is a very intelligence. A computer neither get tired nor lose concentration. It is a machine. It will never tire. It will not lose its concentration because it is a machine. And it is a very reliable machine. As a computer system always gives accurate result, therefore its reliability is very high. It also provides us the facility of vast memory. A computer system can have a wide range of memory. Memory is called electronic storage, which can recall the desired data at any point at any time. And it also provides us facility of vast storage. A computer system can store enormous quantity of data in different formats. The storage capacity of computer system is normally expressed in terms of kilobyte, byte, megabyte, gigabyte, and terabyte. Student, we will discuss in our coming lectures. Here in nutshell, I want to describe there is some difference between memory and storage. Memory is electronic storage, and where the term storage is concerned, it is used for those devices which store data in non-electric form. It may be magnetic form or optical form. Computer works on its memory directly and on its storage indirectly. We will discuss in coming lectures, inshallah. So let us look at the storage measurement. As in physics, you use inches, centimeters, meters, foot, kilometers, feet. In computer storage, we measure the storage quantity in byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, and petabyte. Byte is equal to one character, and character may be a mathematical digit, a symbol, an alphabet character A, B, or C. If we store A in a computer, it will occupy 1 byte of the memory. And the combination of 1024 bytes make 1 KB or kilobyte. It can hold 1024 characters, which is about the half written of typewritten page, and 1024 KB makes 1 megabyte, and megabyte is abbreviated as MB. It approximately can store 786 pages of typed text, and 1024 MB makes 1 gigabyte, which is abbreviated as GB. Approximately 786,432 pages of the text can be stored in 1 GB. Students, just imagine that 500 sheets of a paper approximately 2 inches high. 500 sheets of a paper is approximately 2 inches high. This this represent that if we make a stake of 7,86,432 pages, that stake will be 262 feet high. So imagine how much amount of text pages can be stored in 1 GB. Student, 1024 GB makes 1 TB or terabyte. This represents a stack of typewritten pages almost 51 miles high. 51 miles high. So imagine. And students, 1024 TB makes 1 petabyte, which is abbreviated as PB. Now the stack of pages is 52,000 miles high, or about one fourth the distance from the earth to the moon. So let us think how huge amount, how tremendous amount of storage is provided by this technology, by computer. So students, we have discussed today the computer science and its branches, its areas, as development of computer technology, which was concerned with software and hardware, and also applications of computer technology, information technology as a branch or as an area of computer science, computer threats, and computer security. We also discussed the definition of computer and the term computer. Students, I also presented before you some silent features of computer systems like automation, speed, its accuracy, its versatility, its diligence, its reliability, its memory, its storage, and in last we also discussed the storage measurements, that what is byte, how much is a kilobyte, how much is a megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, and how much is a petabyte. Thank you, students. Now for your homework, it is assigned to you that please Google the points discussed to get more knowledge, because the knowledge is the power. Thank you. See you in next lecture. Thank you, students. Assalamu alaikum.